A warm welcome to the Department of Home Science at DAV College for Girls, Yamnanagar. Home science is an amalgam of science and arts. Home is a place which provides comfort and meets an individual's need for safety, security, identity, and a sense of belongingness. Home science provides an understanding of designing and arranging the environment at home in such a manner that it provides healthy physical and social development of individual. The courses offered by the Department of Home Science at DAV College for Girls, Yamnanagar are BA with Home Science and BSc Home Science. The eligibility is the students, those who have passed 12th with arts, science, or commerce, can opt for the course. Along with that, we have a postgraduate diploma in nutrition and dietetics, and for that, the eligibility is BSc Home Science with minimum 50% marks, and the students who have opted Home Science as one of the subjects in BA can also apply for it. Subjects offered are as follows: foods and nutrition, clothing and textiles, human development, family resource management, community and extension education. Home science is one of the professional courses which permit students from the sciences as well as humanities and of course commerce also. Career opportunities in the field of home science are as follows. Students, those who opt for foods and nutrition, can get jobs in food industry. They can work as registered dietitians, journalism, fitness centers, dietitians at hospitals, railways, and they can be faculty in schools, colleges and universities. In human development, they can work as administrators or teachers in various nursery schools, daycare centers and government offices. Illustrators or designer for children's books, magazines, toys. Curriculum designer in various private schools, nurseries. They can work as counselor, as child guidance clinic, helplines, schools. We all know that in today's situation the role of counselor has played an important role, as we have seen that schools have appointed counselors. We have seen that Directorate of Higher Education has appointed counselors which can help the students to discuss their problems. They can work as social workers in old age institutions, special schools. In the field of clothing and textiles, students can work as independent freelance designers, as entrepreneurs of boutiques, design studios, faculty in schools, colleges, universities, and also as merchandiser in various export houses, costume designers, dress designers in entertainment industry. Now, we know that home science is a multidisciplinary subject. You can be a job giver by opting home science in your life. You will be having a quick look at some of the activities which department organizes regularly, as well as we will have our achievers of the department who are sharing their experiences. Thank you for listening.
I'm Divya Lohia. I'm working as a guest lecturer in Degree College, Haridwar, and preparing for government lectureship too. मैंने अपना ग्रेजुएशन इन होम साइंस डीएवी गर्ल्स कॉलेज यमुनानगर से कंप्लीट किया है और मैं यहाँ बेस्ट एथलीट ऑफ द कॉलेज फॉर 3 years भी रह चुकी हूँ.
Hi, my name is Payan Anand, the postgraduate. I am from Delhi and I've worked with many esteemed organizations such as Ministry of Women and Child Development, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and now glad to announce that I'm running my own venture on Instagram, that is Nutritious Tadka by Payal Ahuja. Being a student at DAV College for Girls, Yamunanagar has been a serene experience. I have spent 3 years of my whole life here, and I've completed bachelor's in home science from here. I've learned so many things. There's been not only academics but also the extracurricular activities. Being an extrovert person, my teachers helped me to channelize my energy in both academic and extracurricular activities as well. And as a result, I was honored by Honorable Chief Minister of Haryana for holding the first position in Kurukshetra University, and even got awarded in many extracurricular activities. I realized at the end of the journey that I was completely a different person, confident enough, self dependent, can face the world, take on the challenges, and that too with a huge smile. This college has done this to me, and I'm very sure anyone who comes to this college will be a different and a better individual once they leave the gates. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vishali. I have completed my graduation in home science from DAV College for Girls, Yamuna. I have also got 5th position in the university. Right now, I'm pursuing my master's in foods and nutrition. Wherever I am today is because of the wonderful staff members who have always guided and supported us. Thank you.